At a media event today, Samsung added two new A series smartphones to its lineup, the Galaxy A6 and the Galaxy A6 Plus. Now we have the Galaxy A6 Plus with us in our lab, so let's unbox it and see what it looks like. Now before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know when we have new videos. The phone is packaged in a plain white box with a simple A6 Plus logo in the front. Turning it around, we have some of the highlight features of the phone like the Inifinity display and the dual rear cameras. Let's open the box and see what we get inside. Here's the phone in its gold trim. Next up, you get some documentation like the quick start guide, warranty card, etc. There's also a power adapter, a micro USB charging cable, a bundle headset, and finally the SIM eject tool. Let's take a closer look at the Galaxy A6 Plus. The phone has a metal unibody design and features a big 6-inch Full-HD Plus Super AMOLED display with slim borders. The phone is also powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 mobile platform and comes with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The latter can be expanded using a microSD card of up to 256GB. There's also a 3500 mAh battery inside. There's Android Oreo out of the box with Samsung's own custom UI. The A6 Plus has a 16-megapixel primary camera with a f1.7 aperture and a second 5-megapixel sensor with a f1.9 aperture. In the front, we have a 24-megapixel selfie camera with an f1.9 aperture as well. The Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus is priced at 24,990 rupees in India. So thanks for watching our unboxing and first look of the Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.